Hello, I'm Kevin Devecioglu, the host of American Business Podcast and Connectional America Business Alliance. Connectional America Business Alliance, CABA in short, is an exclusive monthly online event to help you connect with other business professionals. Not only you meet with other business professionals live, you also introduce your product, your services, and your company to thousands of the American Business Podcast audience, subscribers, followers, and supporters. That's a great opportunity for connecting other business professionals and introducing your company, your products, and services. On the screen, you see a QR code. Please feel free to scan the QR code. It'll take you to a page that you can pick the date that you are able to attend. You can click and you can register for the next Connectional America Business Alliance networking event. This is an online event. You can connect from anywhere. You can connect from North America, you can connect from Europe, Asia, wherever you like. In this sense, there are options here. You just pick the date and join us. I hope you can make it. I have the QR code on the screen. When you scan it, it'll take you to the registration page. Our next Connectional America Business Alliance event is scheduled for September. I hope you can join us. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much.